Introducing the commercial XD series of DR field and brush mowers. Built to take the punishment of everyday professional use. Run roughshod over gnarly brush and hardwood saplings. Flatten high grass and weeds with merciless power. And with hydrostatic drive, maneuvering has never been easier. Independent wheel drive gives you zero-turn agility. Turn on a dime, reverse direction quickly, and adjust your speed on the fly to match your walking pace. Plus, XD models are chock full of commercial duty features, like integrated handguards, heavy-duty levers with solid steel drive linkages, sealant-filled tires with an aggressive tread for go-anywhere traction, a tool-free oil drain hose, and integrated tie-downs for easy transport. There are 3 commercial XD models to choose from: a 26-inch, a 30-inch, and a 36-inch model. All 3 are bulletproof workhorses, covered by a 3-year commercial engine warranty. The DR Commercial XD Series puts you in control.